Yo, what is going on? So here are the best 5 Tron Telegram bots. So the first is Bull X Tron Trade Bot, a popular trading bot with a web app and Telegram integration, offering 10% off trading fees forever with a referral link. Maestro Bot, one of the oldest and most feature-rich Telegram trading bots, supporting 10 different chains including Tron. It's a comprehensive bot with a detailed review available. NFD Tron TradeBot, a relatively new bot with a growing user base, offering a scanner buy bot for groups and trending bot features. Its trustworthiness is still being evaluated. Tron Snipe Bot, promising bot project with a scanner, buy bot for groups, and trending bot features, including sniping and limit orders in development. YesCoin in Telegram bot. Although a primarily game-based bot, it has a large user base and is worth considering for its innovative approach to earning. For a more technical evaluation, IAX-based Tron bot on GitHub is a Telegram bot that works with blockchain Tron with a Python script and systemed service files available for installation. In conclusion, the best Telegram bot for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a comprehensive trading bot with a wide range of features, Maestro or NFD Tron TradeBot might be a good choice. If you're interested in more specialized bot with sniping limit order capabilities, Tron Snipe Bot is worth exploring. And that is it.